Hi guys, it's Daniel here, your Udacity mentor. Some of you guys asked me how I handled the JSON response in the news app to bring it from the receiving string to the list of modals. That's why I did this video to show you how I did it on my own app in my original project that I once submitted when I was doing this nano degree you're doing now. So, let's consider that you know about all the other things like adapters, how to receive from the HTTP request, how to read the string and so on. If not, no problem. I will provide you some links in the description of the video that you can have further material to see how to do this and other videos. But in this video we're really going to focus just on how to handle the JSON response. So let's go ahead and dive into the code.
Let's have a look on the final app. I did it very easy like this. You see I have here a recycler view and inside I have the list items with a tag, the title, a date, and if it's available, the author of the article. So then I have an on-click function. I can click and it will ask me what I want to do. I want to open with Chrome and it opens the article on the Guardian website. So guys, now I'm going to explain you my code here. So just that you know, here in the top I have already some variables with the reference to the JSON code. This is good practice because if you change something, you can just change it here and don't have to go deep in your code and you have everything just in one place. But let's go to our method extract JSON data. What we are doing here, first of all, we're going to check if our JSON response is empty or not. For this, we're using the Android component text utils is empty and enter just our string JSON response, and if this is true, we return null. So that means later we can handle in the adapter or in the main activity, we can handle our null response if extract JSON data is null, going to show an error view or something like this. Then next we're going to initialize our list with the news modals that's already ready to later put our JSONs, our modals inside. Means list news list is a new array list. Then here you can see a boolean has author that is fails. This is easy to explain because here in our code you see you have here tags and in the tags you have a JSON array and the first object you have under web title you have the author inside, but like you see here in the first, sometimes this JSON array text is empty. So that means we don't always have an author. So we need a boolean and later we're going to check, and if it has an author we're going to set it to true, that we know how we have to fill the modal. Then here is where we're really going to handle our JSON response, and this we are going to do in a try catch block. Let's see the try here. We have our JSON object called here raw object, that is the JSON response. That means this is just all the full raw JSON that we see here. And then from this object I would like to have the full response that's inside the referring string response, as we see here in the top response. For this I enter here the key response key. And from this response here inside the JSON object response, I would like to have the JSON array results. Results is a JSON array. I have JSON array results is from the full response get JSON array results. Okay, and now we are already in the part that we can fill our modules. And for this we're going to do a for loop. For integer I is 0 if 0 is smaller than the length of our JSON array results. We're going to loop again and E is going to add 1 to himself. So the current object, as we see, results is an array. That means the current object, JSON object we have, it's just the number of I, like 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then from the current object, this is what we see here. So, and from there we need like the section, the date, and the title of the article, and also to get the author, later we need the JSON array inside tags. So that's what we're going to do here. Here first we catch the current JSON object, then we store the results in strings, string title, get string, date, section, and so on. And then we're getting the next JSON array tags. So, and now we need to check if we have an author or not. For this we're going already to initialize the string author as an empty string. And then we're going to check with an if statement. If text is, if not text is null on index number 0, the JSON object contributor is JSON object on the index number 0, because we see here in text we just have number 0, what we need. And from there the author is the contributor, get string, and as we saw we need the same, can use the same title key because it's really the same, it's also web title, like here the title key of the article, so we can use the same key. And also we set our boolean has author to true. At least we still need to catch the URL of the article to later set our intent. So current object, get the string of the URL key. Then we're going to fill our news module. If our module has an author, we're going to fill the module with the author, and if not, we're going to just let the author away. And in the end, we're taking our news list that we initialized and add the news. Then, down of this, we have our catch block, where we're going to catch the JSON exception E, and E brings stack trace, that if we have an exception, we can go to our logcat to read what's going on, and in the end, this function returns our news list. And that's already the whole magic. Really not complicated. Okay?
This is it. Do you have some more questions? No problem. Let your questions in the comments or contact me directly in Udacity. And one thing would be very important for me, guys. Please let me your feedback about my video. I would like to know how can I improve my video to do better tutorials for you. But for today, this is it. Bye!